Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one, we use to wash our hair. Correct. Number two is English. Yes. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I use shampoo every Friday. I use shampoo every Friday. Shampoo. Shampoo is a liquid. People use it with water to wash their hair. Now we can make a flashcard for shampoo. Please make a card like this. Write shampoo up here in the top left corner. SHAMPOO. Down here, BATH 1. This means bathroom level 1. And over here the number 11 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Sham. Poo. Shampoo. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. The alphabet is not difficult. The alphabet is not difficult. Difficult. The alphabet is easy. It is easy to learn. It is not difficult. Now we can make a flashcard for difficult. Please make a card like this. Write B difficult up here in the top left corner. DIFFICULT. The opposite is to be easy. Down here, A1, this means adjective, level 1. And over here, the number 20 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here. It will be easy. Dit. Fit. Cult. Difficult. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned shampoo to wash your hair. Correct. Number two is English difficult? No, it is not. It's easy. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 equals some things. Stuff. Very good with a T. Number 2, to be finished equals to be complete. Very good. Number 3, to do something. Can you say it? Very good. Lately. Lately means a few weeks ago, not in the future. Today is Monday, July 14th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.